6 foods that naturally cleanse the liver. Today, it's nearly impossible to go a day without consuming processed foods. On top of that, we face serious environmental pollution problems. Every day, our bodies are exposed to countless preservatives and additives. To stay healthy, it's essential to give our bodies occasional supportive boosts. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body. Without the liver, the body wouldn't be able to process nutrients from food or eliminate toxins effectively. To help your liver stay healthy and function optimally, consider adding these liver-friendly foods to your daily diet. 1. Garlic. Garlic tops the list of the most beneficial foods for liver health. It is rich in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification. Garlic also contains vitamin B6, which has anti-inflammatory properties, and arginine, an amino acid that helps relax blood vessels, easing the strain on the liver caused by blood pressure. 2. Grapes. Packed with high levels of vitamin C and glutathione, one of the body's most powerful antioxidants, grapes help protect the liver. Glutathione is essential for many bodily functions, including protein production, tissue repair, and immune system support. 3. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, dandelion greens, and arugula are excellent for neutralizing chemicals, heavy metals, and pesticides that enter the body. These greens boost bile flow, aiding in the elimination of waste. Additionally, beets are particularly helpful for enhancing liver function and promoting the production of necessary bodily compounds. Cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and broccoli are also essential for producing enzymes that help flush toxins from the liver. 4. Avocado. Avocado is undeniably a superfood. Once you learn about its benefits for the liver, it'll become a staple on your shopping list. Avocados are rich in glutathione, vitamin C and E, and healthy fats that help balance cholesterol levels. These nutrients neutralize harmful substances, protect the liver from damage, and provide anti-inflammatory benefits. 5. Walnuts. Walnuts are another excellent food for liver health, thanks to their high levels of arginine, an amino acid that helps the liver detoxify ammonia. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, which aid in cleansing the liver. Additionally, the antioxidants in walnuts help remove toxins, while their healthy unsaturated fats prevent fat buildup in the liver and strengthen cell membranes. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric's most important component, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. It supports liver health by protecting bile ducts and promoting bile flow, which helps keep the liver clean. Curcumin also prevents alcohol and toxins from converting into harmful compounds that damage liver cells. Adding just a pinch of turmeric to your meals can offer remarkable health benefits. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Healing Foods video.